Hey guys, so this is basically me just unpackaging this parcel. So this is the product that I bought from a Take a Lot, as you can see by the packaging there. So this is a shampoo. It's called No Yellow shampoo. So I'll list the details in the description box. And then so what I did is, this was the hair before, and I basically just wet the hair and applied the shampoo. So I applied it like quite a lot. So I applied it for the first time, and I let it stay for like about 30 minutes to an hour or so, and then from then onwards I washed the hair, and then I realized that it didn't quite turn out the way that I had imagined in my head. So what I did is I went ahead again and dried the hair and put the shampoo about 3 times. I did the same process about 3 times. I realized it's still not what I want. So what I did is I went ahead and I bleached the hair, being very messy there. Don't do that. Don't be like me. I went ahead and bought bleach, and I basically just bleached the hair. And yeah, after bleaching the hair, I then went ahead with the shampoo again, and I let it stay overnight. Like I had a lot of time. Like, this hair has been through the most. So this is me just basically sectioning the hair, and I'm not too precise about, I'm just brushing, literally just putting the dye on the thing, not the dye, the bleach on the hair. There's no technique that I use. I just made sure that I try to cover the whole hair with the bleach. And then so what the shampoo does, it gets rid of the orangeness and the yellowness of the hair. So it makes it, it tones it down, but it works as a toner basically. So this is how the hair turned out like after bleaching it. It still had the bleach. And then this is after washing the hair, just rinsing off the bleach there. And then what I did is, from here, I went ahead with the Tresemme shampoo, conditioner, and I basically just conditioned the hair, and I went ahead again with the purple shampoo. Like this, guys, like I put quite a lot of this thing. Like this shampoo is almost done. Like I went in. Okay, so don't be stingy with it. Like I said, I will leave the details in the description box. So basically, I just did the whole thing, and then I let it stay overnight. So I washed it only like the following day. Hey guys, I'm so excited. Like I am so excited. This is the hair after the whole treatment thing. So now what I want to do is I just want to quickly just lay the lace nicely. So I'm gonna be using the Eco Styling gel because I don't have my Revlon gel. So I'm just gonna use this. This is what I'm gonna be using to lay the hair nicely. Put it here. Like this hair, guys, I've been wanting to change the color of this hair for the longest time, and I've been trying and trying without any luck. But finally today, like, things are working out. I don't know after how many times I shampooed the hair. I did the most. I did the most with this hair. And the nice thing is that the quality is still, like, it didn't give me any issues. So it looks more a bit pinkish than it looks ash blonde. But in real life, I feel like, in real life it looks lighter than what it looks like on camera. It's just that my camera is not picking up properly. I film with my phone. I think that's another reason why. So the quality of the thing is not the greatest. But Yona, I wanna live. It is different. So now I'm just gonna quickly just lay this here. I'm just gonna lay this baby, and then this side as well. And then I'm gonna put this just to flatten the whole thing. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I understand. I don't want the curls to be too like serious. I just want nice loose curls. So I'm just quickly what I do is I just brush, and then I take the curling iron, and then I just put the hair inside the curling iron. Like, that's all there is to do. I'm not very good when it comes to curling hair, so let me just put that out there. But like, I'm just gonna try and curl the hair. Usually I curl it with with bendy rollers, but like I don't have time for bendy rollers right now because they take a bit of time to curl up and everything. So I'm just gonna go in with the flat iron, and you just want to let it sit there for like, you know, a minute or two. No, 2 minutes is too much. A minute. So that's basically just what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, my nail broke. Okay, it didn't break. I took it out because it was slightly falling off, so excuse that. Yeah, that can do. And then guys, also this hair, now this hair is the hair, I'm gonna show you guys like a small clip somewhere up here or up here. This hair has been through the most, so I did a review about this hair, and I had bleached it, and I did like everything to this hair, because like I was trying to get it ash blonde like from the day I received it, because I had like too many black wigs, so I wanted something a bit different. So I've been trying ever since, and the quality still stayed the same, which is very unusual. There isn't much shedding, or there's a little bit, and I mean a tiny bit of shedding. I love how my makeup looks like today. We're looking cute. We're looking very cute. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna continue doing this, and then up until we finish. Okay guys, so after these are the curls. They're not the greatest, but like I tried. I did explain earlier on, but not the best when it comes to curling hair. So here is the hair. I'm quite happy with how it looks. Like, I've been wanting to change the color of this hair for the longest time. As you guys have seen a video, and in the beginning you saw how the hair looked like before. This was not necessarily the color that I wanted, but like I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I wanted it to be a bit more platinum blonde. I don't know, it looks a bit pinkish, it looks a bit, I don't know, just slightly ash blonde. I don't know, but I'm really happy with how it looks. I don't have any complaints, but probably at a later stage I will then try to turn it into the color that I really wanted it to be, or maybe I'll just buy a different hair. Let me know what you guys think, and also I've listed the details in the description. I've listed the details in the description box if you're interested in maybe turning your hair into like this one. Like mine was, it was a mistake. It wasn't supposed to be like this. It was supposed to be like really a nice bright ash blonde. Comment, and please give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Bye.